All right, special thanks to our friends at SUPCASE. We're nice enough to send us their UB Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let's take it out of this plastic. All right, love this SUPCASE. Drop protection, SUPCASE logo, multi-layer design, built-in protection, 360-degree protection, shock protection. Take this out. So here is a little instruction manual right on top. Tells you how you pop your phone in, and includes extra adhesive strips. And then here, well, that's it for the box, is your actual case. So this is the top part for your Z Fold. It'll snap on the front screen, and then down here is the other half. So you see you have a cutout for your cameras. You even have a cool little kickstand so you can easily prop your phone up, and then your hinge is able to go in here, and they've made a very nice hinge on their phone to try to keep your phone protected. Nice little cutout here. And when it's all together, you got your ports here on the bottom, you got your volume rockers here, some other mics and stuff up top. Nice easy spot to open it. Very, very nice case from our friends over at SUPCASE. Definitely a great case to protect your Galaxy Z Fold 5. That'll do it for this SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Galaxy Z Fold 5 case unboxing. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to SUPCASE for sending this to me to unbox for you. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.